I am making a healing herbal soup for postpartum recovery. First, I prep the chicken and trim the fat to keep it lean. I saute thin ginger slices until they smell amazing and toasted. I sear the meat on low heat, then add chilies for a kick. Look at this rich broth. It is so tender and nourishing. I also saute some garlic and amaranth until it is vibrant. The perfect balanced meal.
If you need some comfort food, our friend is cooking a literal feast. First off the basics, we've got tomatoes, eggs, and 2 types of sweet potatoes. Time to render that pork belly. Just listen to that sizzle. Now add a mountain of asparagus for the crunch. Keep it rooting.
The soup is simmering with duck in a special herbal bag for deep flavor.
Whisk up those eggs and tomatoes straight in the hot oil now.
Keep that sweet potato porridge moving so it does not stick. Almost there.
Look at that duck leg, perfectly tender. This is a total 10 out of 10 meal.
Dinner served. Which dish are you grabbing? Tag a hungry from.
Welcome everyone. This sesame oil chicken is a classic postpartum meal. It's also a famous Taiwanese dish. Don't miss it. Remember to like and subscribe.
第一步就要切薄片才好。
味道，恰恰的味道，加味的，闻到了。麻油鸡的姜已经变得恰恰的，现在将麻油放进去，先生中火，让麻油慢慢热起来哦。中火让它变，带着香味。切成块状，先看过、清洗过、干净的，把它切成小块，这样的话比较快熟。
这个是没有皮的，是如果平常有皮的话，就先煎皮。
坐月子不要有皮，脂肪不要太多。试一下这个油温。OK， 来了，吃做享乐開始。
把有比較油的先放下去。
Yeah, just make it.
Oh, welcome home. Everything good?
是已经有點熟了，所以我們等下不需要再加油了。枸杞到米酒裡面去泡一下，這完就把它加到麻油進去。要轉大火嗎？
對呀，就是小火，雞肉會容易。
這個麻油在這邊放，待會兒還有加了一點酒在裡面，然後待會兒就是起鍋的時候還要再加到麻油進去，味道更香。
And that completes our meal. Served with white rice and sweet potato leaves. This is a very nutritious confinement meal. Oh?
安田菜，補血的安田菜。
要用這個鍋子炒，但是受乾的，現在今天受乾鍋在煮。
這就是台灣的安田菜，紅莧菜，非常的補血。把點這個開水進去蓋起來，給它燜到熟了。
It's not difficult. You can try making it at home. This stir-fried amaranth with sesame oil chicken rice set is both appetizing and nourishing for breastfeeding mothers.
I'm transforming a simple stir-fried pork belly with rice into a postpartum meal. We just need to stir-fry the ingredients and mix them with freshly cooked white rice. Take a look. Lid on the pot, turn off the heat, let it simmer a few minutes. Now, let's check how the herbal chicken soup is doing, shall we? This is Hisho Wu chicken soup. Hisho Wu can nourish yin and blood, help maintain black and dense hair, and slow down postpartum hair loss. Okay, the rice is finally done. Just pour the freshly stir-fried pork belly into the pot, stir it evenly, and it's finished. This simple home-cooked meal paired with this postpartum medicated soup is not only delicious and appetizing, but it also helps replenish essence and blood. Next, this 10 perfect tonifying pork rib soup is stewed with 10 kinds of traditional Chinese medicinal herbs and pork ribs. You need to blanch the ribs first and pan-fry them until they are golden brown on both sides. This is a potent medicated dish. Start eating it only after the 3rd week postpartum. Don't change the channel or walk away. This method of cooking sweet potato porridge might be useful in your daily life.
黄色的地瓜有黄色的地瓜，先把它切成小块。来，地瓜就把它放到这个 pot 里面，然后加水，先把它蓋滿這些地瓜就好了。先把它煮一下，好，冷水下鍋哦，這樣子就好，一點點，先把地瓜煮一煮。 開火，先大火讓它水滾哈，我們再來調中火，然後慢慢把它攪一下哈，不然會粘鍋哦。來。
You know, when you have some leftover rice in the rice cooker, you can use this super quick and effective method to make some sweet potato porridge.
好，不要攪太厲害，免得地瓜都碎掉。現在加點熱水，因為我們的飯也是熟的，所以我們加熱水，然後不要讓它這個。 加熱水，這樣就很快就再熱起來。好，先加一半哈，慢慢加，不要一下加太多，免得它 overflow。好，再稍微攪拌一下，把它粘鍋底了。再攪拌，輕輕的攪拌。 燒哈，要小火，然後過一陣子就要把它翻開來，稍微攪一下，粘鍋了啊，粘鍋巴的味道就不好了。
Porridge is here, medicated pork rib soup is here. Let's transform this homemade tomato scrambled eggs into a postpartum meal set. Okay.
来煮一个番茄炒蛋，来把这个番茄炒蛋家常菜变成坐月子餐套餐的一部分。炒蛋。好，番茄要給它切小塊哈，待會先把它對半切，然後這黑黑的梗要拿掉哈，然後再把它切小塊，好，番茄就切這樣小塊，然後蔥也切好了。番茄炒蛋開始嘍，先把它打好的油熱了之後，放點薑油跟這個豬油啊，先把蛋把它抓一下。稍微的。stir 一下，然後就讓它OK， 這個蛋好了哈，那我們就把它拿出來，現在開始要炒番茄嘍。炒番茄，然後先弄一些。簡單的油，然後把那個薑煸煸的哈，因為我們這是月子餐嘛哈，薑一定要放的啊，就給它下去了，炒這個番茄炒一炒哈，番茄裡面有這個茄紅素了啊，有點油才能把它逼出來。空間給我們的蛋下來嘍，剛炒的蛋啊，把它跟番茄 mix 在一起。把它切成小塊哈，充分的融合在一起。最後撒點蔥在上面，薑油。
Last touch, the seared cod. And that's our full postpartum menu. Which dish is your pick? Let me know below and subscribe for more.